My name is Vinny, and I'm a teacher at the Golden Triangle Academy. I owned a mortgage company for over 30 years. I have done thousands of transactions during that time. I come from the lending side, so I know how to structure deals like nobody's business. I understand all the rules and regulations of the lenders, so when it comes to doing deals, that part is invaluable, and I'm gonna teach it to you. I started out very young buying homes. I owned hundreds of homes. I started out with Section 8. I worked my way all the way up to single family homes. By the time we were done, me and my wife had a bunch of single family homes that we rented out to corporations. So we had people from all over the world, France, Germany, England, and that was a very good business. I built multi-million-dollar estates, 7,000 square foot and up, and that ended in 2008 when that business collapsed and nobody wants a big McMansion anymore, so no longer do I build homes. But I did enjoy that a lot. Also owned and operated a credit repair company. So all this stuff, part of my life, and I can help you and I can show you how to structure deals and all of that. So there's my resume right there. It's a mile high and I will stack it against any YouTube university guy out there. Even a lot of the regular guys out there that have been in the business, I guarantee you that I've done a lot more with my career. I've been in this business since my 20s. I'm close to 60 and it's been a part of my life. If you got any questions or anything you want to learn about me, I am an open book. There's my cell phone number. Call me. Talk to me, whatever you want, put a question here and there, I'll answer it. I'm here to help your career with real estate investing.